This is erbium. Erbium was discovered by Carl G. Marstander in 1842 in Sweden. The origin of the name was after the village of Jönneby near Vaxholm in Sweden. And its atomic number is 68. Its abbreviation is ER, and its atomic mass is 164.259. This is plutonium. It is a highly nuclear element in the periodic table. Its abbreviation is Pu. Its atomic mass is 244, and its atomic number is 94. Plutonium was discovered by Glenn T. Seaborg, J. W. Kennedy, and E. M. McMullen, and A. C. Wally at 1940 in the USA. The origin of the name was after the planet Pluto. This is osmium. Its abbreviation is OS. Its atomic number is 76, and its atomic mass is 190.23. Osmium was discovered by Smith and Tennant in 1803 in England. The origin of the name was from the Greek word osm, meaning smell.